Hey guys, Arnold from Spartakus Technologies here. Let's talk about our reliability assessment services. You know where to start to become a top reliability performer? Spartakus Reliability Assessment offers a comprehensive evaluation of your maintenance and reliability program. Knowing and understanding your critical area for improvement will allow you to 1. Make the most out of your investment by maximizing assets, processes, and workforce. 2. Demonstrate the value of reliability to investors by showcasing clear ROI and operational improvements. And ultimately 3, you'll be able to identify objectively strengths and weaknesses to pinpoint areas that need improvement. The reliability assessment process is thorough and straightforward. First, we will evaluate your current practices. To do such thing, we will benchmark your current practices against globally recognized industry standards. And to do such thing, we will conduct interviews with key personnel at the site, analyze your existing work processes, and ultimately, we will review available data and tools. Once this is done, we will establish an action plan with you, and then if needed, we can support you through the implementation process. After a complete evaluation of your reliability and maintenance practices, you will receive first, an assessment report with a spider diagram identifying strengths and weaknesses. 2, a clear business case analysis with an ROI calculator. And ultimately, you will receive your prioritized action plan. If you're struggling to get buy-in from higher management, don't know where to start in your reliability journey, and lack of a roadmap to achieve such thing, let's connect and explore how we can help you get started.